Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix .NET Runtime Optimization high CPU and disk usage problem on Windows 11. In the first step, click on search bar and search for CMD. Run it as administrator. Now open File Explorer. Right click on this PC and select Properties. Now check your system type. So my system type is 64-bit operating system. You will get all these commands in the description below. Copy it and paste it on command prompt. Select paste and hit enter. Again copy the second command. Right click on command prompt, click on edit and paste it. Hit enter. Wait for some time and close the command prompt window. Go to search bar and type in command prompt. From the search results, you will get the application command prompt. So run it as administrator. Now type prompt and hit enter. Now you will get all commands in description below. These commands are really very important. To avoid mistakes, just copy those commands one by one and paste it on command prompt. And hit enter. This process will take some time, so wait for it. Now copy third command and paste it here. Okay, now hit enter. Now copy and paste fourth command and hit enter. Now paste fifth command and hit enter. And copy and paste the last command, that is chkdsk, and hit enter. It will also take some time to complete its process. Once done, at the end type exit to close the command prompt.